Hey there, stock market surfers. The time is finally here. Welcome to Learn4Finance, your new hotspot to catch the biggest financial waves. Ready to rock the stock market like a true surf pro?
Hi, I'm Axel, your new financial surf guide from Learn4Finance. So grab your board shorts, because we are not surfing small puddles here, but the fattest financial waves. I've been cruising the financial waves for over 30 years now. And let me tell you, I've been through it all. From chill flat water sessions where you almost doze off setting down, to nasty waves that give you a proper wash, and blow dry your hair with salt. But hey, as with surfing, the more you paddle, the cooler you shred. My motto: educate yourself first, then educate your money. Sounds smooth, right? It means first we'll check out the currents and waves of the market together, and then we'll get your money to catch the perfect wave. With style.
You'll be catching the monster waves of the stock market, shredding the steepest profits, and gliding past those nasty crashes. Pure adrenaline. But don't panic if the stock market has felt like an uncontrollable washing machine, just spinning you around. We're turning the tables. Imagine, you make the stock market ocean your personal break, your playground, where you ride every wave with maximum coolness, while others are still trying to keep their feet dry. It's like surfing. The better you understand the tides and waves, the easier you ride them. That's exactly what you learn here. Timing and strategy to achieve the perfect surf on the financial markets. Whether you're just dipping your toes in the water or already riding the biggest sets, here you'll get the tricks and moves to take you to the next level. Big kahuna, vibes guaranteed. So guys, stay tuned and remember, hang loose baby. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Visit Learn4Finance for more information and start your journey today. Disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Investments in the stock market are subject to risk. Consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Why Learn4Finance? Because we don't just throw out boring, standard content. Nope, we give you a really cool surf plan that's aligned with the stock market cycle. And now for the big one. Imagine the stock market cycle like the ocean. Low tide, high tide, gentle breeze or heavy swell. It's all there. But don't worry. At Learn4Finance, we'll show you with our tailored content how to recognize and understand these financial tides. To catch the perfect wave, just like a surfer who makes the break perfectly and catches the monster wave. Yes, that's the stock market, surfer style. It's like surfing. The better you understand the tides and waves, the easier you ride them. Every good surfer knows you can't just go out into the water with any old board. You need the perfect board. And that's exactly what we offer at Learn4Finance with our own indicators. Our technical analyses are based on tools you won't find anywhere else, like a custom surfboard perfectly tailored to you. Just like surfing, you don't just jump into the waves head first. You check the conditions, you know which board you need, and you know the currents. That's how it works with us. Our indicators help you pinpoint the exact moment to buy a stock, hold it, or sell like a pro. With the right tools, you'll be surfing the market and catching the biggest gains, while others are just paddling. Like a surfer analyzing the wave patterns of the ocean, our indicators show you the market movements. Don't be afraid of technical terms. We make it understandable and applicable so you can read the market like a pro. Okay, the waves are important, but you also need to know where you are and where you want to go. At Learn4Finance, we have something really cool for that. Our unique price zones. They help you analyze stocks as precisely as a surfer who finds the perfect spot in the ocean. Is it worth riding the wave? Then you buy, already enjoying the perfect ride. Then you keep your balance relaxed. And if the wave threatens to wipe you out, of course you paddle out and sell before you go under. Our price zones are your inner compass, your personal financial GPS. Imagine knowing exactly when the wave is coming. Buy low, sell high, that's the plan. We help you find the best spots in the stock market ocean and maximize your profits. Every real surfer knows, the perfect waves don't just come along. You have to wait for the right moment. It's the same with the stock market. At Learn4Finance, we show you how to recognize these seasonal waves and start surfing at exactly the right moment. Sure, the weather can be deceiving sometimes. It's still sunny, but you know, something's brewing. That's when you cut your ride short before the storm hits. And that's exactly what you learn with us. We help you take advantage of seasonal benefits, like a surfer who knows when to cut a wave short and when to go full throttle. Just like a surfer heading to their favorite surf spot at certain times of the year, we help you catch the market at the best times and invest cleverly. Surfing isn't just about the big waves. Sometimes it takes perseverance and patience, just like long-term wealth building. With ETFs and savings plans, you're like a surfer chilling on their long-distance wave, while others are constantly waiting for the next big break. Imagine gliding relaxed over the ocean, relying on the natural momentum of the markets, without getting caught up in the chase for monster waves. With ETFs and savings plans, you let your assets grow systematically, like a surfer using the ocean to slowly and steadily glide to shore instead of hoping for the next big jump. With ETFs, you paddle relaxed on stable waves while cleverly diversifying your portfolio. And that's how you avoid constantly waiting for the next mega wave. Just stay on it and let it grow long term. And that was just the beginning, folks. With Learn4Finance, you'll soon be riding the waves of the stock market like a true pro, from the first small jumps to the biggest monster waves. And believe me, the best swells are yet to come. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you don't miss a wave, and join us as we accompany you on your investment adventure. So grab your board and surf with me on the next financial wave. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed the video. And remember, your financial buddy is always by your side no matter how wild the waves get. Hang loose!